What is going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got a real simple, quick little build that I'm especially proud of. These are the rear bumper reflectors off of a 2016 Honda Accord. They are just reflectors. However, this customer wanted them to light up, and so he had previously bought them from a different supplier, and I hate to sound like a broken record here, but you get what you pay for. So these failed fairly prematurely. My guess is water intrusion, but the truth is that these are going to be much higher quality. They're using the Diode Dynamics 9-inch dual intensity red strip, which is cut to length. And since it's made by me with my products, I can give this a 13-month labor warranty and a lifetime warranty on the product. So these are not going to prematurely fail, and they look a lot better and perform a lot better. Now, the back of it does have a wire penetration there, so on the vehicle there's going to have to be a hole drilled there, and that wiring is going to have to be run up to the tail lights where it'll be tapped in. However, being a Diode Dynamics product, it's actually accidentally intuitive because it's a 4-wire setup. So black is going to go to ground, obviously. White is a parking light mode, so that's going to be on anytime that the parking lights are on. Red can go into the brake light, which is a full intensity. That's 50% strength, that's 100% strength, and that is 100% strength as well, which would theoretically be tapped into the turn signal. You have options, and that is cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's on. Like I said, it is the full extent of the strip, so it goes from edge to edge, and it is extremely bright, which is super cool. But if you need it even brighter, which is like for brake light or for turn signal, obviously all you got to do is activate one of those other circuits, and look at that. And then when you turn it off, voila, it's like it's a ghosted strip in there. You don't even know that they've been modified. So this is going to be a really nice, clean, tasteful improvement to the Honda Accord. This is definitely something that I can make and ship out to people if it's something that you're interested in. Product and pricing information is going to be in the video description. Give me a build request via the form on the website and let me know, and then I can make these up and ship them out to you. Installation, like I said, should be fairly simple and straightforward. Aha, so plot twist, I actually did get to do the install. So this is the beautiful Accord, in which has now some super sweet little marker lights on the back to these little guys down here. So check it out. I think it actually is a really nice accented look because you've got those nice parallel lines that are going on the taillights, and then of course illuminated down below. So I am a big fan. So let's turn on the brake light because that is what we chose to integrate with just the brake light, not the turn signals. Parking light, and now brake light, and now parking light, and then brake light. It's pretty cool. You can tell that I'm braking. And just to be clear, if the parking lights are not on, they still activate with the brake light. No parking light, and now brake light. No parking light, brake light. All right, that's how things work. Cool, I'm so glad you got to see them on the car. That's all I got to say. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See you.